cornerstone tools of modern software. APIs, the pipelines that let apps talk to external services, and SDKs, the toolboxes developers use to build those very apps. 1. Think of an API as a waiter taking your order to the kitchen and returning with your meal. One request structure, HTTP method, get, post, put, or delete, tells the service what action you want. Endpoint, the URL where the API lives, e.g. gmap.com/API. Query parameters, extra details like address equals K and key API key that refine the request. 2. Round-trip flow, a delivery app sends the request to the Maps API. The API returns a status code, 200 OK if all went well. The response body comes back as JSON or XML containing the location data. 3. Key purpose, communication. An API exposes data or functionality so any authorized app can consume it. No UI, just structured requests and responses. Nest2 SDK, bottom half. Now, picture an SDK as the entire kitchen, appliances, utensils, and recipe cards, handed to you so you can cook your own dish. 1. What's inside? Code samples, libraries, and pre-built APIs, wrapped for a specific language, Java, .NET, Kotlin, you name it. Tooling for testing, debugging, and packaging. 2. Developer workflow. A coder selects a language, say Kotlin, and pulls the SDK package. They stitch the provided libraries and APIs into their project. After integrating everything, including perhaps that same Maps API, they compile, test, and release a polished delivery app. 3. Key purpose, creation. An SDK accelerates development by supplying reusable components, best practice code, and documentation, all in one bundle. 3. Quick comparison, aspect, API, SDK, primary role, data service access, app building toolkit. Typical consumer, any app via HTTP, software developers. Output, JSON XML responses, compiled application. Dependency style, stateless remote, language-specific libraries. To sum up, APIs let your application communicate with external services, while SDKs give your developers the tools to build that application efficiently.